Hi. I'd like to talk a little bit about workers' compensation third-party claims. That's a bit of a mouthful. What does that mean? Well, if you're injured at work, you have, more likely than not, the opportunity to make a claim under the workers' compensation laws in your state. This is how things work in Washington. And your employer either will send you to the Department of Labor and Industries, or sometimes when you have a large employer, they can be what's called self-insured for the purposes of labor and industries and workmen's compensation. And then they'll have a company that they have a contract with who will adjust your claim. We do not handle disputes relating directly to a workers' compensation claim, but we do handle a lot of cases that are called third-party cases in this context. A third-party case refers to the fact that there is a third party, someone who is not your employer, who has legal responsibility to you for causing you injury while you are on the job. The best example of this is that if you are driving somewhere for the purposes of your work, and somebody else causes a car accident, you now have the opportunity, or the opportunity to make two different claims. One, you can have your medical care and your lost wages addressed through the workers' compensation system, and two, you have an independent claim that you can make against the third party who actually caused you this injury. The most interesting aspects of third-party claims are usually done on the back end of things. So everybody understands that as a personal injury attorney, my job and my motivation is to go and obtain as much compensation as I can for my client from the negligent party. However, 50% of my job then kicks into gear, and that part is keeping the money that is obtained from the third party from going out the back door to various people who will have their hand out. The main way that this affects a claim is when the state has paid for your medical care, and then you go and obtain that same money from the negligent party through the use of a personal injury attorney. That then triggers a clause in the law that says that you need to repay the state for what they've paid out, because it would be unfair if you received both the free medical care and the value of that, and then the dollars representing that care. Now you've got a double recovery, so only under those circumstances does the repayment kick in. The repayment aspect of claims is complicated, and it is an excellent reason why having a personal injury attorney on your side to handle those things is a good idea. So if you have any questions regarding your third-party workers' compensation claim, give us a call. Our consultations are always free, and we're happy to talk you through your scenario and see if there's something we can do to help you out. Thanks very much.